Hi, I'm Merrill with Express English Language Center in Dubai. Today I'm going to talk about how the IELTS exams are scored. So in order to understand how IELTS exams are banded, you just have to understand firstly a bit of background information, and secondly a little basic math, and thirdly how the writing and speaking modules are scored. So first, a small amount of important background information. There are 4 modules, of course the listening, reading, writing, and speaking. And each module is scored in bands from 1 to 9, including half-band scores such as 5.5 or 7.5, for example. Now secondly, a little basic math. Once each module is scored, the scores are added together and divided by 4. If the resulting number ends in at least 0.25 or 0.75, no lower, it's rounded up to the nearest half, so either 0.5 or 0.0. Let me give you an example. Candidate A received band scores of 5.5 on the listening module, 5.0 on the reading module, 5.5 on the writing module, and 6.0 on the speaking module. If we add those together, we end up with 22. 22 divided by 4 equals 5.5, so this candidate's overall score is 5.5. Here's another example. Candidate B received band scores of 6.0 on the listening module, 6.5 on the reading module, 6.0 on the writing module, and 7.0 on the speaking module. Once we add these up, we get 25.5. And when we divide 25.5 by 4, we get 6.375. Now, because 0.375 is more than 0.25, this is then rounded up to 6.5. Okay? Now, the final step toward understanding IELTS scoring is to understand that while overall scores from all 4 modules are rounded up if they're no less than 0.25 or 0.75, it's the opposite. They're rounded down when determining the band scores from the writing and speaking rubrics. These rubrics are, for the writing, task achievement, coherence and cohesion, lexical resource, and grammatical range and accuracy. And for the speaking, just slightly different, fluency and coherence, a lexical resource, grammatical range and accuracy, and pronunciation. Another difference of the scoring for these 2 modules is that while module band scores may end in either 0.5 or 0.0, rubrics within the speaking and writing modules end only in 0.0 with no half bands. So a candidate either achieves all of the rubric markers for a particular band or they fall to the lesser band. Let's look at a couple of quick examples to show what I mean. Candidate C received for the writing module a 7.0 for task achievement, a 6.0 for coherence and cohesion, a 7.0 for lexical resource, and a 5.0 for grammatical range and accuracy. Add those together and we get 25. 25 divided by 4 is 6.25, which then rounds down rather than up to a 6.0 final score for the writing module. Now, candidate C did better on the speaking module, however, scoring a 7.0 on fluency and coherence, a 7.0 on lexical resource, a 6.0 on grammatical range and accuracy, and a 7.0 for pronunciation, which totals 27, yielding 6.75 when divided by 4. This then rounds down again for a 6.5 for the speaking module score. So, I hope that helps. For more information, visit our blog at expressenglish.ae/blog. Thanks for watching and see you real soon at Express English Language Center.